This is some heavy weather, folks, as we go into the midnight hour. Potential for damaging winds, maybe some large hail. If you look at the dew points, oh boy, they are near 70, and I'm not a big fan of that at all. It's all sticky out there, and I know many of you are feeling it too. It's already hot. Ridiculously hot. These are middle 80s, and that's all due to this next system. We can't get a break every other day, folks. Don't forget about your pets. Make sure they have access to plenty of shade and fresh water. A pet-friendly summer tip from your Channel 3 weather team. Maybe a flurry for the snow belt tonight. That's about it. We're dry through your Saturday, and that's because of all this ice on Lake Erie, not really helping with any lake effect snow. Just a little bit nippy out there today, right? I think most of you will agree, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is freezing. Look at this from Shannon in West Seneca. Yeah, little tiny shovel there. I don't think it's going to do much when you have about 3 to 5 feet of snow. Maybe have your morning cup of joe and read the paper. Beautiful weather in store here today. Well, guys, this is kind of a grumpy cat forecast, if you will. We have plenty of rain showers across the area right now. Good evening, everyone, and it's a very good evening weather-wise for sure. If you're heading out to any kind of later evening plans, such as the Feast of the Assumption in Little Italy, it's a great night for it. I was there earlier today, had some awesome Italian sausage. So temperatures falling through the lower 80s into the upper and then eventually middle 70s by the time we close things out around 11 p.m. Mostly clear skies, and that's definitely good weather news. Current temperatures across the area here at 8, upper 70s from Richland into Wayne County, 79 also here in downtown Cleveland, 83 the warm spot in Akron, Canton. Factoring in the humidity, overall still feeling like lower to middle 80s across the area. It's not super humid out there yet. That will be changing a little bit. Warm bubble of air across the Midwest, 87 in St. Louis, it's 80 in Charleston, down to 84 in Charlotte, so pretty warm across most of our general region with high pressure in control coming, kind of pushing in that return flow. Now we're going to watch for this cold front and low pressure system to eventually move towards us as we go into the middle of the week, but for right now, we're going to monitor this warm tropical air mass. It's going to continue to push up into the Buckeye State, bringing us storm chances through Wednesday into Thursday. But that high pressure will keep us at bay from any of those tonight. Temperatures falling through the 70s will be about 70 degrees for your early morning risers with just a few clouds around by 5, 6 a.m. or so. Tomorrow, going up in the temperature department. Middle to upper 80s, around 86, 87 degrees for many of you. Partly cloudy skies and a few pop-up thunderstorms throughout the afternoon and evening. Not going to be a washout at all, just isolated activity. So through the morning hours, you're generally going to be dry and sunny. We'll increase the clouds as we go into the afternoon. Again, notice temperatures pretty warm across the board, but just a few showers, mainly northward. Then a couple computer models bringing in a decent batch of showers and storms by about 9:30 p.m. Not too keen on this, but generally scattered thunderstorms will be likely Monday night into Tuesday. That will continue throughout the day on Tuesday here. For the morning commute, we're looking generally pretty decent, upper 60s to near 70. Many kids heading back to school. And then again, widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, lower to middle 80s throughout the day on Tuesday. Full 7-day forecast there, again, scattered storms. By Wednesday, we're going to dry things out mainly. 88 degrees though, so the heat is definitely on. Wednesday night into Thursday, that cold front comes through, and that's going to bring in rounds of showers and thunderstorms. Should be out of the area for the Browns game. And then temperatures are going to moderate by Friday, 80. By Sunday, we're at 85, and we're going to have a dry weekend ahead. The train can mean so much. It's tough to see it go, but it will be back again on its journey from Independence to Akron.
Cold weather airports in our region, I think we stack up against all of them.
With a chance of snow later this week, Cleveland Hopkins Airport is sure to be ready. For TV2 News, I'm Brian Ivey.
What they're doing is making money off of a tragedy, which is a terrible thing to do.
The new meters are going to be exactly the same as what we already have on campus. They're known as smart meters, so they accept several different forms of payment. When severe weather strikes, all of these people need to get the proper shelter. When a tornado warning is issued, that means a severe weather safety plan goes into effect. It's very important for homes, apartments, and dorms to have a severe weather safety plan so you know what to do and where to go during a tornado warning. Some fairly extensive damage done here across the property of Pineview Farm. In fact, ODOT has used over 1 million tons of rock salt and that's about double the average amount.